rain some fucking gold today. I think I'ma make it rain some fucking gold today. The clouds are absorbing a divine frequency called the fountain of youth. And I'ma fucking make it rain some H2O today. And when it fucking rains, the clouds are gonna pour out some divine healing frequencies and bring this fucking planet back to life. That's right. 'Cause I am the one and only sun, the first and the last. And just like the sun radiates some kind of light that brings the planet to life, I'ma fucking bring some new frequencies and make this planet a magical, divine, loving, and all of its inhabitants are gonna even sing with me. Na 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 na. Yes, my name is fucking Paulie, and I am in my prime. That's right. My name is Paulie, and it's prime time. What up, what up, what up? Yeah, that's right, the king just showed up. As a matter of fact, I've been around for a minute, or in fact, I've been just kicking it with my homies, just kind of laying back, or I should say standing up for freedom. And I know that didn't fucking rhyme, but I don't give a fuck, 'cause I got the best fucking comeback lines. And yes, I'ma fucking make it rain to fucking day. And I'm even fucking saying all the fucking... Yep, it really is gonna fucking rain today. Even all the fucking birds are coming to life and are gonna fucking sing with me. Yeah, that's right. I even got a fucking bird calling. Like I said, I'm a fucking clown on some fucking fools, and even fucking moonwalk all the fucking way to the fucking red carpet, on the fucking flying red carpet. And I'll even fucking moonwalk on fucking water over all of these clowns. Alright, what's up? I just wanted to say, what up? And yes, Polly just showed up. And that's right, that's my name. And I'm back. That's right, the second coming.